In this video, you'll learn how to change your Microsoft Teams email address in just a few minutes so you can update your account with your preferred contact information. First, understand that your Microsoft Teams email is tied to your Microsoft account. If you want to change it, you'll need to update the primary email address linked to your Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Teams account. Next, open your browser and go to account.microsoft.com. Sign in with your current credentials. From the top menu, click on Your Info to access your personal account details and email address settings. Now, click on Manage how you sign in to Microsoft. This section shows you all the email addresses linked to your account. From here, you can add a new email or change your primary sign-in. After that, click Add Email to add the new address you want to use. Microsoft will send a verification link to confirm ownership of the new email. Click the link in your inbox to complete the verification. Once verified, set the new email as your primary by clicking Make Primary. From now on, your Microsoft Teams account will use this new email address for sign-ins, notifications, and all account-related communications. And that's it. Your Microsoft Teams email address is now updated and your account is fully refreshed.